What's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Man. The markets have been the markets, doing what they supposed to do. You know what I mean? God, we did have a nice little spike up yesterday, nice little push up yesterday in the markets. We was hovering around at 19,000, that range, the mid 19,000s. Ethereum did drop down the 1400s. But did get a push up over 1600. So, but today, markets, it's the end of the month. A lot of people trying to position themselves and get ready for September, which I think is going to be brutal. But before we do everything, guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all different social medias that you guys see below. Follow us on all our different social media you guys see below. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. And as you see right here on my Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at @TheCryptoBlack. We're giving away a lot of good gems over here, guys. Support resistance is all set, ready to go for Ethereum. I keep telling people, I give y'all the screenshots. I give y'all the support resistance. Do you listen? Those have bing, rejection, and boom, and then whoop, right back up, baby. So I be giving y'all the game. You know what I mean? I'm sorry for Bitcoin. I be giving y'all the game. I got Ethereum support resistance down here as well. You know what I mean? So, and guys, make sure you guys holler us on Clubhouse tonight. Follow me, Crypto Black on Clubhouse. Crypto Black on Clubhouse, guys. Follow us, or you can write to my Twitter and you'll have the direct link. Follow us on Clubhouse, guys. We're going to be talking tonight. My man Mike Miller and I on Clubhouse. So make sure you follow us. Make sure you join the room. I'm telling you, man, but yeah, what we're going to do here, man, we're going to run it up. And you guys see, we was on Clubhouse last week. Very interesting conversation. But yeah, man, I'm giving y'all support resistance on 8. I'm giving y'all everything. All you need to come follow me on Twitter. You're going to get what you need, all right? But yeah, besides that, guys, man, today we're talking about the exchanges. A lot of people are nervous about the exchanges. Hey, man, what's going on? Congress actually stepping in right now about the crypto exchanges here in the U.S. All right. Also, we'll talk about Ticketmaster, what they did, who they chose in order for their NFTs. So you better have NFTs, and we talked about that on Monday video. What I said in regards to NFTs, where I see it's going, where I see the market really going to be at. The whole just you coming up with a picture and posting it up, you know what I mean, with an animal. I think those days are going to pretty much be gone in regards to volume, people buying. I think NFTs going to move more towards corporations and what they do and use cases for their businesses, like tickets, like for Ticketmaster, or you might use NFTs in regards to medical, or SB, soul bound tokens, SBTs, you know what I mean? And I'll talk about that as well. I think it'll be a big thing in crypto. So those things we're gonna talk about that later. But yeah, man, let's look at Bitcoin first, man. Bitcoin is up 1.27% for the day, guys. Is still down 6.71% for the week, and we're still down 13.78% for the month. So just remember, guys, we're still down for the month. We did have a good July. Coming into August. August is pretty fine as well. August, we had okay August. But what we seen here was crazy. You know what I mean? Just wiped everything out we did in August, which was crazy. But what we're going to do in September? We got to get above this 20, and I talked about this before, guys. I talked about this on Monday. Got to get above this $20,799. We're not getting above it. We're going to play between this here in this box. And like we stayed in this box. We stayed in this box for over 31 days last time. You know what I mean? And we've been in this box right now, currently. We've been in this box. Let me do it again. We've been in this box here, guys, since we've been here for 12 days now. So we know it could take a little while. Now, will the ETH merge help it out? We don't know. But we're still staying below this. If I'm trading this, I'm trading in between this box here. You know what I mean? And you're looking at about 8, and I'm looking at about 18,000, about 18,192. I'll say, because really this was the low, which is 17,529. But I'm trading in between this 18,192 up to 20,800. That's where this box and where we're staying at. And you guys can see we've been here since August the 26th. All right. So, we've been in this box since 19th of August, but this big push down below 20,800. Then, September is September, guys. I'm letting you know right now. But Ethereum, let's check out ETH. ETH is currently at 1,556 bucks. I talked about it the other day on Monday. I said we gotta get above this line right here, 1,593. We did push up, we wicked up, but we got a 1622, push back down again. And look what we're playing at. Like we're playing between these two lines, 1468 up to 1593. So if you guys are trading that, just know, man, we constantly getting this rejection. This is a strong rejection. It was a really good support. So we turn our support into resistance. So really strong resistance, as we see right here, guys. We're getting rejected. We got to get above this line in order to get back to 1,700. But if you're going to be trading, if we get above here and close above here, this 1,593, we're going to be trading in between that and 1,700. So just make sure, you guys are fine. Like I said, September is going to be a month. And remember, quantitative tightening, QT doubles this month. So what happened in June? Remember what happened in June? The Fed started the QT in June, on June 1st. September 1st, it's going to double. So I'm not saying we're going to have what happened to the markets in June going to happen inside of September. But if they're going to be doubling what they did in June, then, you know what I mean? And the Fed is still hawkish. They already said it's still hawkish. Europe coming out with double digits inflation. You know what I mean? So, and Europe is giving the real numbers. U.S. is not giving the real numbers. In my opinion, they're not giving the real numbers. So we looking to bounce between here. So just make sure if you guys going to be day trading, you can trade between these lines. I'll say really lines you really want to be trading between is 1466 up to about 1700. This if you're going to be trading, I would trade this here. So it gives you just the wiggle room. It gives you about 15%. Almost 15.5% trading range. And if I'm gonna be trading that, I'm gonna be trading there. But you guys can see right here we're bouncing in between back and forth. And if you're gonna be doing any stop losses, I would stop loss right. If I'm for ETH, I would stop out about 1392. If it goes below 1392, guys, it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down to 12s. Yep. So just give you a heads up on that. But man, let's get right into it, baby. Get right into it. So it says U.S. Congress sends 5 major crypto exchanges letter inquiry how they are combating crypto fraud. Inquiring how they gonna be combating crypto fraud. So the inquiries are part of the latest push for Congress to bring to tighter regulation to the crypto industry in the U.S. as the country still struggles to determine which of its many federal agencies should be tasked with overseeing it. CFTC, SEC. You don't know who it is. You know what I mean? Everybody trying to figure out who is going to regulate, who going to overlook the crypto industry. And people are fighting, different industries, different federal agencies are actually fighting over who's going to be controlling. One person do something, they're like, no, you're out of bounds. You know what I mean? They do something, hey, hold on, that's our range. So it's kind of funny. But hey, it's the government. What you expect? So it says earlier this week, 4 federal agencies and 5 crypto exchanges in the U.S. received letters from Congress sent by Representative Raja. I'm not even going to try to say it. Krishnamurthy. The letters request information about regulators and exchanges steps to combat cryptocurrency fraud and scams. Yeah, see, these people don't even understand the industry. They're going to exchanges asking, hey, how can you combat fraud and scams? Exchanges, if it's on a bigger level, they know they block them from depositing the money in there off rent, but it's ways around that. You know what I mean? Says the representative asked Coinbase, FTX, Binance US, and Kraken and KuCoin to provide information and documents dating back to 2009. People don't understand, these companies weren't even around in 2009. That show how they identify and tackle fraud. The blockchain started in 2009. That's what I'm saying. Like, these people don't even understand the industry. That's what makes it so funny. And these people don't understand the industry. You can just read an article and see. And these people don't even understand the industry. They don't understand dates. They don't understand anything. You know what I mean? So this is the committee's first interaction with the crypto industry and could lead to more involvement in the sector. Many believe that the recent collapse of Voyager and Celsius triggered Congress to focus more on introducing stricter consumer protection measures to the industry. The U.S. cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated, despite the country having multiple federal agencies overseeing every part of the financial market. So he wrote to the SEC, quote, existing federal regulations do not comprehensively or clearly cover cryptocurrency under all circumstances, end quote, because pretty much the top two cryptos is already deemed as property. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. These people are just so out of their mind. They don't understand crypto. I'm pretty sure they don't understand a lot of stuff. They don't. I mean, you can look at the country, see how the country is. You see how they, you know what I mean, how they don't understand anything. But as you guys can see right here, guys, they'll get the letters back. How they going, and the exchange? I'm pretty sure the exchange is going to send back to them. Yeah, you know, we're combating fraud by, you know, looking at the addresses coming in and blah 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 blah. But in the day, most of the fraud and the scams and stuff is emails. People are getting into people's emails, and they're able to actually, hack into different exchanges or whatever databases, and because it's too centralized, and get people emails, and they're emailing people saying, "Hey, I'm Coinbase," or "Hey, I'm this, I'm that, MetaMask," and you gotta reset your password or whatnot. So that's what's really going on. And that's where the scams are coming from. A lot of stuff is happening. Most stuff happening off the exchanges. People aren't really getting scammed on. You know what I mean? Nobody, people not really into exchanges, scamming people into exchanges. These big exchanges. Where people getting really scammed at is off the exchanges. So that's what they gotta holler at Google. How people are getting into people's Gmails. You see what I'm saying? They gotta holler at all the different, all the different other places, like Androids. You know what I mean, with the fake apps. You know what I mean? That's out there. That's what they gotta look at. You see what I'm saying? They look at the wrong things. What again? It shows you the ignorance of Congress and different lawmakers. In regard to the crypto space, they don't know the space. They don't know the space at all. So, something to think about right there, man. Something to think about. But will they listen? No, they don't listen. So Ticketmaster chooses Dapper Labs Flow blockchain for NFT tickets. In a pilot program, 5 million Ticketmaster NFTs were minted in 6 months. Wow. So it says event ticketing behemoth Ticketmaster announced today they will adopt the Flow blockchain from Dapper Labs for minting tickets as NFTs for select events. The NFT's unique blockchain tokens that signify ownership will function primarily as collectible digital memorabilia, but also as a shareable proof of attendance. So over the past 6 months, Dapper Labs and Ticketmaster quietly launched an NFT pilot program. In it, Ticketmaster automatically issued ticket NFTs as memorabilia to attendees of specific events like the Super Bowl this year. In the pilot program, more than 5 million Flow NFTs were minted in a 6-month period, according to Dapper. Says the partner says Ticketmaster built a wallet and marketplace feature into its site. And says their holders will be able to view and trade the NFTs they receive as a result of partnership. I'm telling you, like I said, I said it the other day. I was at the NFT NYC, you know what I mean, a few months ago. I'm telling you, this is what's going on. These major corporations, they said, oh, NFTs, thank you, come again, goodbye. They're going to have their own marketplaces. They're going to build their own infrastructure and their own ecosystem. And this is what they're going to do. They have the right partnerships. They don't care Joe Schmo trying to call NFL. They're like, hey, look, we're Ticketmaster, NFL, NBA. Got them on speed dial. Hey, we got our own NFTs, own marketplace. Hey, we need you to put this, do this, do that, do this. Boom. All right, here you go. Boom. We need to share the revenue. Here you go. Pop, 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 pop. Send it to your lawyer. We'll get it going. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? And that's gonna be the market. People gonna buy tickets. They got NFTs. They go right in there, log in. They sign into. They have their own wallet on the and people familiar with that. Your regular Joe gonna be like, oh yeah, I understand Ticketmaster. I don't really know about MetaMask. I'm telling you, right? I don't know about OpenSea. OpenSea, what is that? I'm telling you, man. I was there, man. I was there. I was listening. And Flow is not nothing to be messed with. I'm telling you. I went to an event with Flow, and man, it was real. Flow, they got some stuff going on, man. I think they're really trying to do their thing with the hip hop in the hip hop industry. But obviously, you know, we had, you know, with Dapper Labs and Flow with NBA Top Shot. So I mean, you know, speaking of that, it says Dapper is most commonly known for his NBA Top Shot, which has seen over 21 million transactions and $1 billion in total volume traded per Crypto Slam data. But the company doesn't want to be known just for sports NFTs. So Flow also been support for mass market, Mickey Mayer, Dapper Labs. So I mean, just showing. I mean, says I think one could make an argument that there's that's where the world is going, but I like to see how some of the partnerships and activations materialize, and that I think will drive the direction of ticketing on the blockchain. Yeah, because at the end of the day, say somebody steal your tickets or whatever happened, you can show it right on the blockchain. Now, I purchased these tickets from my car, and I bought it this time. It's right here on the blockchain. So you don't have to worry about double spending or double tickets. You know what I mean? Double ticket sales. You know what I mean? People having fake tickets, you know? So, I mean, you can show it. Hey, man, I'm in the wrong. Oh, I got these tickets. Nah, man, I purchased these tickets right here on the blockchain. It's right here. It's showing right here. I bought these tickets. So, that's something right there to look at, man. I'm telling you guys. So, you know, I'm telling you, this is where the NFTs are moving at. This is where the NFTs are moving at. A lot of people are trying to do money grabs or get the last little money grab they can get before it really go to another level. But the NFT space is going to be the big corporations. They're like, aha, thanks for the idea, guys. And they're going to go after that. You know what I mean? And we see what the volume is at right now. I reported on Monday, 99% down on OpenSea. You know what I mean? So that's something to really, 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 really think about. But yeah, man. So that's all for the day, man. We're going to do a Q&A. If anybody got any questions, you know, just type it in the chat right now. If not, then we're going to end this live and we'll get back to our regular day and, you know, enjoy this beautiful summer day, man. It's the last day of August. Guys. Go enjoy this beautiful summer day. Tomorrow I'll be hanging out on the beach. You know what I mean? I came and had to do my live today. I would have been on the beach today, but I said, hey, man, I got to do my live today. You know what I'm saying? But let's see the market, man. Yeah, it's still pushing up. Market's still pushing up. We got Bitcoin, you know. So, and guys, it's always good to put your alerts in too. So if you see it getting close to it, right below or right above it, you know what I mean, your resistance, you just add that alert in. You know what I mean? Right click, crossing up, boom. That's it. Add that alert in, you all set. You all ready to go. Let's see, yeah. But yeah, guys, what we're going to finish up this chat right here. Make sure you guys hit that like button, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're going to finish up this video. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.